I think it's a very interesting experience, and I also think it's a very valuable experience. Science has become completely global, and also science is now really breaking down boundaries between disciplines and between fields. So I think the academia and industry talking to each other is just a natural consequence of this breaking down boundaries. And so from that point of view, I think this is a very welcome development that these events now happening, and I certainly think there should be more of those. In terms of format, I think anything what can foster interactions is something what would be beneficial, because the biggest barrier between academia and industry, I would still think, is the communication. It's not the same language we are speaking, so academics and industry still have very different ways and jargons how to express themselves. There's very often actually similar ideas, but just phrased from different angles. And I think just the process of learning to understand each other can go a very, very long way in forging collaborations, but also in getting actually the best out of industry as well as academia. I think also academic conferences certainly could benefit and do benefit from having industrial speakers, simply because they look at similar problems from a different angle. And also academia is now increasingly being tasked to produce benefits for the economy and benefits for the society. So I think the orientation where to look in academia is now also converging into the direction of industrial problems. So I think inviting industry people to academic conferences is certainly something what I would think will happen more frequently in the future.